If you've been wanting to learn about medicinal mushrooms, I've got a few resources here for you. Most importantly is Denis Manzer and I just finished a course on Friday, March 4th. We did a 2-hour deep dive into the realm of fungi. We called it the healing powers of medicinal mushrooms. So we had a great group live in person. We had a whole bunch of folks online and we recorded it. So it's now up on our YouTube channel. And if you want access to that free course, then go to lightseller.ca, online courses, and on the second page is a course called The Healing Powers of Medicinal Mushrooms. Just register for that. We'll send you the link to the video to watch on your own time. Plus, you'll get the notes to kind of review, follow along as well. It was a ton of fun and highly recommend that you check that out. Now, we did this course just as kind of a free offering, as well as something that will serve as a foundation, an introduction to the Medicinal Mushroom Symposium. That is happening this month, March 20th to 26th. And it is featuring 14 sessions with a number of different experts from all around the world on everything fungi. So many different topics, even mushrooms for pets. That is a new one. We've got a veterinary doctor who's going to be talking about the application of using mushrooms for pets. We're going to be going into ethnomycology, the history of mushrooms and how humans have used fungi as allies of both food, medicine, and tools throughout time. We'll be talking about, obviously, the medicinal aspects of mushrooms. There are several presentations on microdosing and getting into psilocybin and the beneficial effects of that therapy, that practice. So go check out lightseller.ca, Medicinal Mushroom Symposium. All the details are there with more still to come. And just as the heads up here that the early bird ends tonight. So the price will increase and it's going to go to the next tier. But hey, if you can get in there right now and register, then for sure, love to have you join us March 20th to 26th, the deep dive. It's basically 2 sessions a night. So it's online, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. A different expert will be featured each night for 7 nights for an incredible deep dive into the world of medicinal mushrooms. So there's 2 actions for you. Go check out the free course, Healing Powers of Medicinal Mushrooms, myself and Denis Manzer, and then go check out the Medicinal Mushroom Symposium. Love to have you join us and learn, dive into this realm, this fascinating realm of fungi. The future is fungi, so get on board. Time to learn about them, start integrating them, going deep with medicinal mushrooms.